I just can't smile. Some people say happiness pays so very long to find. Well, I'm finding it hard leaving your love behind. See, I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't say I'm fighting at home to do anything you say. Feel glad when you're glad. I feel sad when you're sad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile without you. All right.
Tutulog na raw sila Mike tsaka si Rika. Antok na sila.
Ay, wala na.
Ay, ko hintayin na lang sa YouTube to.